Taylor, 7 years old, panicked and ran when she saw a bobcat appear on the road. Instead of fleeing blindly, she did something very different. She ran to a neighbor's house and rang the doorbell to ask for help.
Hi, Lauren. I'm on my way home right now. I'll be out soon, okay?
No, please come open the door. There's a bobcat. I want to come in. Please.
Okay, tell her we're going to be home in 1 minute.
Is anyone home?
No one was home, but the Ring doorbell camera activated. Through the small speaker, an adult voice calmly reassured her, telling Taylor to stay where she was and wait for help.
No, we're going to be home in 1 minute. We'll be home in 1 minute, sweetie. Just stay right there.
Okay. I really want to come in because my mom, I don't know where my mom, I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
No, you stay right there. We're going to be home in 1 minute, sweetie. You stay right there.
Okay. I want my mommy.
Okay. It's fine. Just stay there, okay? We're literally turning the corner where AJ's is. Okay. And don't hang up with her. Stay on the phone with her. Okay.
Can you call my mom?
Yes. I will definitely do that. As soon as I get you in my house safe, I will call your mom.
Okay.
I'm almost there. I'm right by the park. I'm almost there.
Are you in?
With her heart racing, the little girl still answered every question clearly. Calm enough to know she was not alone, it was not just a moment of fear, but proof of remarkable awareness. When danger appeared, Taylor knew exactly where to go to find help. The thief chose the wrong house, and the Ring doorbell camera captured an instant karma moment he didn't have time to escape.
Put my back on this porch. Yeah. I saw you when you got out the mother car. You're trying to put my back on this porch.
Sure.
You done lost your mind. You gonna come up on my and take my
You got
you.
Stephen Grove, 56 years old, believed that his neighbor's Ring camera was watching his life directly. From that point on, he began a series of acts of vandalism, and all of it was recorded. For months, the camera captured every time Grove appeared, cutting wires with pliers, smashing other devices with a hammer, then smearing the lens with a marker. The problem was, the camera never stopped watching. In one of the strangest clips, Grove nearly had a door collapse on top of him while trying to remove its hinges. One step further, and the consequences would no longer have been handled in a courtroom. The paradox is this: the harder he tried to destroy the camera, the clearer his actions became. In the end, the very thing he wanted to destroy became the evidence that brought him to court, where Grove pleaded guilty to property damage. A doorbell camera captured the moment when the line between rescue and tragedy was only a few breaths apart. In the early morning of January 6, 2025, a two-story townhouse on Kosowak Street erupted in flames. As the fire spread rapidly to the upper floor, neighbors rushed out of their homes without waiting for firefighters. One man climbed up and helped two children out through a second-floor window. while others ran to find a ladder and stopped cars on the street to call for help. At 7:12 a.m., firefighters arrived on scene. The mother and 2 children suffered minor injuries and were taken to the hospital. Tragically, the family dog did not survive. Just imagine if that person were standing at your front door. How would you handle the situation? As for me, I would call the police immediately.
Shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Dad.
A man tries to open the door, but luckily the mom locked it behind her just in time.
Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here!
A man stepped outside to confront someone who was urinating in front of his home. The conversation quickly escalated into violence, and the door became the next victim.
In here? No. You fucking serious? Get the fuck off our goddamn property. Get in the house! Get in the house!
The Ring doorbell camera captured a terrifying moment in Arcadia. A panicked woman ran onto the porch, screaming for help in desperation. Seconds later, a man appeared and dragged her off the porch as she cried out desperately. Everything happened in just a few seconds.
Her
But thanks to the doorbell footage, police were able to identify the suspect as Robert Mendez, rescue the victim, and prevent a tragedy that could have been far worse. A robber posing as a delivery driver pulled a gun right outside a home in East Haven, Connecticut. The homeowner managed to fight the suspect off, and the suspect fled in a silver and black vehicle within seconds.
I don't know if this is for you.
A Ring doorbell camera captures what seems like an ordinary moment. A young woman opens the door to collect her mail, and a man dressed in black is standing just outside the frame. What's terrifying is that no one knows how long he had been standing there. When the woman turns her back and steps inside, the man immediately follows. Seconds later, the camera records only frantic screams coming from inside. No one knows exactly what happened behind that door, but the video alone is enough to send chills down viewers' spines as they imagine the worst that could have happened. A doorbell camera captured the moment an armed intruder stood right outside a home. Behind that door was a family, a pregnant wife and a 6-year-old son sleeping inside. Just one more step, and everything could have gone in a very different direction.
Yo! Yo, Kevin! Come on, bro.
Never open the door to anyone who is not invited or not expected, whether you know them or not. Times are no longer what they used to be, when unannounced visits were considered normal. Showing up at someone's home without notice is now often disrespectful and inappropriate. Some people still welcome unexpected visitors, and that may be fine for them. But for most, it isn't, and it can sometimes be a serious risk. The video above is one clear example. A man was captured by a security camera standing outside a woman's apartment, night after night, for nearly an entire month. The clip spread across Reddit, Facebook, and TikTok, showing him in a hoodie, silently pacing back and forth along the hallway, repeating it enough times that fear needs no further explanation. An inexplicable action, and the whispered words, "I see you," enough to make the feeling of being watched crawl straight under your skin.
I see you. I see you.
It was just a human-like shape, but enough to keep the homeowner awake at night and spark endless debate across the internet. A night out at a bar that seemed completely normal. Until a Ring doorbell camera captured a drunken ending that was enough to make the entire internet laugh.
What the fuck? Oh, not by the Ring. No.
Have you ever encountered a ghost? That white figure, what was it? Early in the morning, while the neighborhood was still asleep, a woman suddenly appeared at the front door, screaming hysterically. The camera captured everything, but no explanation was ever given.
Africans, stay home, she said. Fuck them, they'll fucking rape you. Yeah! I don't know if I'll ever get in this house again, but I love you, Grandma Judy! I love you, Grandma Judy! I love you! Where are you in the smoke? Oh, no.
At around 11 a.m., a man's voice could be heard, even though there was no one else in the entire building at the time. What do you think that voice belonged to?